Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So carrying on with the Elceram Nitride videos, I'm going to cover the reverse menu settings on this one. I know not a lot of racers will use it, but if you're practicing you might. Also with it having drift specific settings from the last video I did on the braking, the park brake, which may work on crawlers if it does what I think park brake should do, although nothing in the instructions about it and I can't find anything online. So let's bring in, show you a close-up look of the reverse settings and see if there's anything useful in there for you. So let's crack on. So as with the other settings, to get into the settings menu, press and hold the two side buttons. We'll go across to his reverse menu. So press and hold to enter. We've got reverse on off. As next one is reverse activation. So this is the point on the transmitter that you have to press on the brake before it'll enable reverse. So you have to cross 5% brake. So the first bit will brake. The next bit is going to be reverse. You have to hit that point twice to trigger reverse. So if you look, it's on forward and brake. If I just brake, you get 1 star. Then it's crossed it again. Next time I press it, it'll go in reverse. So if we're on throttle, we've got forward brake and reverse. Hit reverse, or hit brake should I say, and you'll get 1 star. It comes back past it, it'll give you another star. Hit it again, then it's in reverse. As soon as you press reverse again, it'll stay reversed. As soon as you hit forward, it goes back to forward and brake. So it goes back to forward and brake, hit brake, hit forward and it clears it, hit brake, hit forward and it clears it, hit brake, hit brake again, it'll go into reverse. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. But you've got the point in which reverse activation is triggered, then you've got the point in which it's deactivated, and then below that you've got the power, what you want to allow to go to reverse. So this, we can go all the way up to 100%, or you can drop it down to pretty much 0 I believe. So you can get all the way down to 1%, and I think for most the stock setting of 20% is fine. So once you've gone through and you've set everything you want, just tap it to save. For me, I'm not going to use reverse, so I'm going to turn this off, tap it to save, and that's it. That's the setting saved. I can see a lot of uses for this, especially if you're practicing, and it's very nice to just be able to quickly jump into this menu and turn it on. The activation and deactivation points also like that, but I really like the way while you're setting this up, you've got a full readout. You can see it's forward brake and reverse depending on what you've actually triggered. So yeah, really configurable, really useful, and like all race ESCs, it's basically double tap to reverse. So your first hit will brake, your second hit, that will give you your actual reverse function, and you can change the trigger points of both activation and deactivation. So let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, the reverse settings for the Elceram Nitride ESC. Quite nice how you can change the trigger points on that and not just make it forward and brake or forward brake and reverse. So depending on how far you want to be able to push the actual brake before it'll trigger that you want in reverse, and also the deactivation point as well, you can change both. So yeah, really nice options to have, and the reverse power is fully scalable from 1 to 100%, so you can change the amount of power you've got available in reverse. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Hopefully you find this useful, entertaining, or just like listening to my incessant ramblings. But don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and catch you guys again in the next one.